Hey traders and investors, welcome back to DigiCrypto, your go-to place for everything finance and trading. Today's video is brought to you by Fortuno Markets, a next-gen trading platform designed for speed, simplicity, and performance. Let's explore why Fortuno Markets is turning heads around the world. What is Fortuno Markets? Fortuno Markets is a multi-asset trading platform offering CFDs across Forex, commodities, indices, stocks, ETFs, bonds, and yes, even crypto. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, Fortuno Markets gives you the tools to trade smarter and faster. Key features that Standout 1. Ultra-fast execution. Enjoy lightning-fast trade executions with minimal slippage, crucial for active traders. 2. Flexible leverage. Up to 1 to 500. Whether you're conservative or aggressive in your strategy, choose leverage that fits your style. 3. Zero commission trading. You keep what you earn. Fortuno doesn't charge commissions on trades. 4. Low minimum deposit. Start trading with as little as $10, perfect for newcomers testing the waters. 5. Fortuno Terminal and TradingView integration. Trade directly on their powerful Fortuno terminal, or use TradingView's charting features for advanced strategies. User experience. The user experience is clean, modern, and fully optimized for mobile and desktop. You can analyze, trade, and manage your portfolio with ease, wherever you are. Safety and transparency. Security is key, and Fortuno uses encrypted systems and segregated client accounts to help keep your funds safe. Plus, with instant withdrawals and 24/7 customer support, you're always in control. Global access, local touch. Fortuno Markets is built for global access but supports local solutions. With multilingual support, localized funding options, and a growing global user base, this platform brings world-class trading to your fingertips. Exclusive offer. Sign up using my special link in the description below and get access to a welcome bonus and priority support for your first month. Don't miss it. This is your chance to elevate your trading game. Whether you're just starting out or looking for a better trading environment, Fortuno Markets has the tools, technology, and transparency to help you succeed. Thanks again to Fortuno for sponsoring today's video. Hit the like button if you found this helpful, subscribe for more trading tips, and leave a comment below if you've tried Fortuno or have any questions. All the links you need are in the description. Until next time, happy trading.